Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Wall paneling is the ideal way to add impactful style and texture to a plain room or hide imperfection on the wall. Wood paneling can make a room feel stylish when done right. Whether you want to add paneling to your house or need a few ways to update your existing wall, get inspired by these wooden wall paneling designs only for your house. Traditionally, wall panels were used as insulation between stone walls and the room. Today, wall paneling is installed to add an aesthetic appeal to a room. Along with all the appeal, it also prevents wall damages, hide unsightly electrical cables, and provide structural support. When it comes to installing wall panels, it is very simple and it can be done in two ways. First is by screwing panels onto the wall. This is applicable for straight, smooth wall surfaces and lightweight panels. In this case, the panels are directly installed on the walls and no framing is required. And the second way is by installing a metal grid frame on the wall and then screwing the panel onto the grid. In this way, the weight of the panels are not directly on the walls. The material popularly used in wall paneling are wood. Wooden panels are made of planks or sheet of solid wood, engineered board or other wood-like products. They can be designed into attractive box molding and batten styles to give a 3D effect. Wainscot. This style of wall paneling is created from wood and synthetic material. The material are carved into patterns and attractive designs. Wainscot is usually installed in the bottom half of the wall. Veneer and laminate. These are made of durable particle board substrate or wood veneer. They can be used for walls and ceilings. MDF. Made of dry pressing wood shaving at a high temperature, this material offers a durable and stylish wall panel option. Fabric. Fabric panels are a great idea for bedroom and soundproof entertainment rooms. These are wood panel padded with foam and batting and then covered with a fabric of your choice. Metal. Metal wall panels add a sleek statement to a modern room. Aluminum, steel, copper can make durable wall panel for your living room. Chipboard. Chipboard is made by hot pressing sawdust and chips. This is not as strong as wood, therefore can only be used in dry areas. However, it gives a wood-like finish. PVC. PVC is made of rigid polyvinyl chloride with a small amount of plasticizer. They are water resistant and durable as well. And last but not the least, glass. Glass can give you a sleek mirror finished walls. These are the materials that are used for wall paneling. In this video, we will only talk about the wooden wall paneling. Tips to maintain wall paneling. Dust the wall panel regularly using a feather duster or a dry lint-free cloth. You can also vacuum clean it once every few weeks. Ensure that wall panels are away from direct sunlight. Fabric, pattern paper and laminate can fade with exposure to sunlight if it happens to be a room with a lot of direct sunlight. Install thick day curtain or drapes. Clean off splatters and spill with a soft cloth and mild soapy water. Don't let the stay for long. Don't let alkali-based cleaning liquid or heavy-duty solvent sit for too long on wood panels. Metal wall panels will be annually inspected to remove debris and inspect joints. Don't forget to replace any damaged panel or trims timely. Wood is a natural material which is timeless and versatile. Whether you fancy a cottage-style bedroom with rough edges and asymmetrical lines or stylish western designed one, wood is your choice. to answer everything. Wooden wall panels give bedroom an alluring appeal, texture and depth. There are an array of finely molded wooden wall panels designed to pick from these days. And the best part is, it is incredibly simple to install. This clever design element can be used in any bedroom and matches with every bedroom style or living room style. Ash wood is a strong, dense and durable. It is used to make bows, tools and baseball bats. No surprised then why this is so much used in the design of a wall panels. With an ash wood panel, it will last you a lifetime. You can check out the design made of ash wood and they are really long lasting. Doesn't it create a warm, cozy feeling as if you are living in a cave? You can also add spotlight to the ceiling as shown in the images in this video. Wood panel design with geometrical patterns is another clever way to modernize your bedroom or living room space. It's an unconventional design that goes well with the modern bedroom aesthetics. Besides, this design can be customized to your taste. The symmetry of geometrical pattern is awesome. It lends a seamless look yet one that is striking. Also, cedar wood has a pleasant aroma and repels insects that make it an ideal choice for any bedroom or living room. Offset wooden walnut paneling is an excellent idea for modern bedroom. Just as you can see in the designs in this video, these lovely cladding patterns make it the major decor element of any bedroom or living room. If you are picking a panel design for a modern home that we bit tight on the space, this is the one for you. The design adds depth to a small sized room, thereby making it look more spacious. Whether you use fresh or reclaimed wood, the final panel design on your bedroom wall will be striking and add meaningful style to it. A focus wall or a room designed entirely with reclaimed wood paneling can transform it from staid to striking in seconds. Reclaimed wood paneling offers a rustic charm to your bedroom with a rough yet flawless appeal to the entire space. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern wall paneling designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor design, our aim is to give ideas and interior decoration tips to our subscribers so that they can get their home done the right way. If you want to make your home look awesome, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. You will find the link of our website and app in the description box below this video. So you should check them out and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Reclaimed barn wood with cove paneling make a significant impact in a bedroom as a feature or floor to ceiling wall. There are endless possibilities to play with the designs, textures and style when it comes to rustic barn wood. This type of panel design lives by its name and bring it a feel of an old rustic barn feel to any bedroom. If you aren't a fan of rustic design but do like idea of using wood in your bedroom interior, consider softwood paneling for your walls. The texture of this type is smooth and is also easy on the eyes. Notice how the walls are displayed in the designs in this video and it adds an elegant statement to the overall space. Consider incorporating two tones as you see in these designs to make your bedroom or living room interior more attractive. What makes wood paneling modern? Sometimes it's the shape of the panel, sometimes it's the finish, and other times it's how you design the rest of the room. For a new approach to wooden paneling, You don't need to completely redo your interior. In fact, even earthy planks that evoke a cabin feel can take on an updated look when the room is filled with modern furnishing. Speaking of the cabin style, living room has it in spades thanks to the unfinished wooden paneling in the cabin styles. Modern furnishing create a look that as on trend as it is in rustic. With this we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then you can watch the video that is suggested to you.